Hey Vicky, Tim, Fernando here, 8439 West Vogel Avenue in Peoria. So, nice gated community. I'm waiting for people to come out. There's another agent with his clients in there. Lots of showings set up for today, and I'm sure they'll get some offers. It says the other agent says they won't be looking at offers till Monday, which is typical these days. That's what we do. Put the home on the market on a Wednesday, Thursday, run it through the weekend, make a decision on Monday. But anyway, I'll go in there as soon as I'm able to. Neighborhood is beautiful, gated in Peoria. All right, so I'm just gonna go in. There's way too many people here waiting. So here we go. Beautiful 8-foot door entrance door. Once you come in, you have your formal dining living area. Could be an office area. Grand staircase. Big loft up there. So this is your family room. Fireplace. Breakfast area over here. Beautiful kitchen. Looks like some sort of quartz or other kind of surface. Fully equipped kitchen. Espresso color cabinets. Lots of storage. This is the pantry right here. Let's go to the master bedroom, which is downstairs. French doors as you come in. Exit to your beautiful backyard. Okay. So this is the master, huge room. Lots and lots of area here. Double vanities, executive height cabinets, meaning they're taller than the norm, so you don't have to bend over as much. This is your walk-in shower, glass enclosure, garden tub, walk-in closet, good size. It's a room for clothing and storage, etc. Window so you can see yourself while you're getting dressed, ready for the day. Rain shower, head there, shower head. Fancy knobs and things. Cool. All right. So that's that. Let me go out to the backyard because these people are still here. Oh, let me take you out to the garage first. So this is a closet. Nope, I'm sorry. This is a powder room. So there is a powder room downstairs for your guests. And then 3-car garage, epoxy flooring cover on the floor. 3-car garage, water softener. That's the salt used for the softener. Right there. Yep. Gas water heater and a pretty fancy water softener as well. Okay? There you go. That's a room here for a car here and then a couple cars over here. Let's go out to the backyard because, like I said, this realtor and his clients are still here. They shouldn't be. All right, here you go. Beautiful backyard. Really nice. This is your neighbor back here. Nothing. You do have a neighbor over there, and one over there though, but nothing behind you. So this is nice, and then you have your hot tub over here, your spa. Fits 6 people easily, 8. You have some open space over here. Pool equipment here for the spa. Okay, double gate down there. Lots of room. And then some more room on the other side. Did not bring my video equipment today, so it's a little shaky. There you go. So you got some grassy area over here. You have your AC units on this side. 2 of them, a large one and a smaller one. They look original. They are original. So inspector's gonna call that. That should be a complete insulation pipe, but that's like a $10 item. Pavers. So beautiful backyard. Cover patio, large, very large. The length of the house. Go upstairs. Okay, sorry. Let's go upstairs. And there you go, humongous loft. Humongous. Okay. It's already prepped for your TV. Right there, some couches. And you can do a game room out here. What have you. It's nice. Okay. So let's do some rooms. This is the laundry room. It's got some storage here. An area for folding. Bedroom across the way. Every room in this house is huge. This room is easily 13 by 13. Another bedroom, walk-in closet, similar to the one on Palo Verde as far as size of rooms. Another bathroom, full bathroom. And we go over to our left. That's a storage area, linen closet area.
I put the key back in the box.
Awesome, thank you. Good luck. Huge room. At first I thought this was the master, but it is not. This is another bedroom. This is 15 by 15 easily. Okay. I like this. This is cool. Little niches there. All right, and then the purple room. Let us not forget the purple room. Princess in the house. This one is rectangular, so probably 12 by 13 or something like that. But it's the purple room. So this is your view from up here. Right? Come and visit, say hi. Tim is up here in his office, or Vicky, and they say, hi, Fernando, how are you doing? And I say, well, just came to visit. Check out the Wongs at their new home. All right. So that's it. Beautiful home. It's gonna go, well, for sure by Monday, but maybe even sooner. And it's gonna get crazy with the offers. So you know how that game is played right now. So I'll send it to you here shortly, and we'll be in touch.